My favorite thing about the new R1.
My favorite thing about the new R1.
One of my favorite things about the new R1.
Let me think about that.
My favorite thing about the new R1 is storm blue. It's so pretty.
The new wheel packages are awesome.
The cameras. I love the cameras.
I think what we've done now is we've taken it to the next level.
When you go to drive modes now, it really shows you the kind of environments that you'd be using these modes in.
We have this really amazing artistic expression to the interior of the vehicle.
Huge improvements for both R1T and S is the overall suspension. It has been retuned with new hardware and software.
The new headlamps and the tail lamps.
I can just see it from a distance where the charge level is.
I think the biggest one is going to be launch mode.
Launch mode.
Let's do launch mode.
Oh my gosh!
My favorite thing is the second generation in-house drive unit for the quad motor vehicle here.
The new cool PDLC glass with just a touch of a button, and it will turn opaque when you want it to.
Interior is awesome. We have new materials, new trim and finishes.
Blind spot with the new cameras is amazing.
We can now unlock the vehicle with this.
We've really redesigned the entire electrical architecture of the vehicle in 2.5 years.
Google Cast and YouTube all integrated.
We continue to expand features over the air, and you don't know what might be coming tomorrow as well.
There's a gear guard badge?
Oh yeah. I think this is the coolest thing that I've seen at Rivian.
Oh my god!